And today, Dad is on duty. And it's hungry. The chick must wait for Mom to return with a meal. And she is on her way. But getting ashore means risking her life. Looks like she made it. A sea lion. There is no match for a mother's determination. And with a belly full of krill, it's slow going. Strong claws and a sharp beak are put to good use. Rickhopper penguins. Now, she just needs to find her partner. One, somewhere, amongst hundreds of thousands of penguins. Her partner's unique call helps guide her to him. Reunited. Only the courageous can raise a family down here.